A toilet plunger is one of those tools every home needs, but most people only think about it when there's already a problem. Choosing the right one means the clog clears faster, with less mess and less effort. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. The Korky BeehiveMAX earns the top spot because of one specific design decision: the beehive-shaped rubber head. Most standard plungers use a flat cup head, which struggles to form a tight seal against the curved interior of a modern toilet bowl. The beehive shape collapses inward on the push stroke and expands on the pull stroke, creating a stronger vacuum seal against virtually any bowl shape: round, elongated, or square bottom. That seal is what determines how effectively a plunger clears a clog, and this head geometry does it better than a flat cup. Korky manufactures this plunger in the USA and uses a high-density rubber compound that holds its shape over years of use. Cheaper rubber softens and deforms over time, which reduces sealing effectiveness. This one doesn't. The included Hideaway caddy keeps the plunger contained between uses with a drip-free holder, so there's no wet rubber sitting directly on your bathroom floor. Korky is recommended by Kohler and several other major toilet manufacturers as their preferred plunger, a strong signal of real-world performance credibility. For most households, this is the most reliable first choice. The Simplehuman plunger is the right choice for buyers who want a tool that performs well and fits cleanly into a well-kept bathroom. While the rod is stainless steel, which resists rust and corrosion, a practical advantage in a bathroom environment where cheaper steel rods develop surface rust within a year. The handle grip is contoured and non-slip, giving confident control during use. The standout feature is the magnetic collar system. When you lift the plunger out of the caddy, a magnetic ring locks around the base of the head, containing drips as you carry it to the toilet. When you return it to the caddy, the collar releases automatically. It is a small detail that eliminates one of the most unpleasant aspects of using any plunger: the drip trail across the floor. The caddy itself has a weighted base that resists tipping and a dome cover that keeps the plunger fully concealed. In a bathroom where appearance matters, this unit looks like a deliberate design choice rather than an afterthought. Simplehuman backs this product with a 5-year warranty, which is uncommon at any price point for bathroom accessories. For a household where bathroom presentation and everyday usability both matter, this is the most complete option in the list. OXO built its reputation on ergonomic design, and this plunger reflects that approach clearly. The handle is flat-topped and wide, which distributes hand pressure more evenly than a narrow, round grip. During repeated plunging strokes, which require downward force, that grip design reduces hand fatigue noticeably compared to a standard thin handle. The flange head fits all toilet types, including low-flow models, where the drain opening is smaller than a standard bowl. Low-flow toilets are increasingly common in newer homes, and not all plungers seal against them effectively. This one does. The canister is the most practical storage feature at this price point. When you lift the plunger, the canister lid springs open automatically. When you set it back down, it closes. There is no bending down to reposition a lid or caddy cover. It operates hands-free. The drip tray at the base includes ventilation slots, which allow residual water to evaporate between uses rather than sitting stagnant. With over 4,700 verified ratings at 4.5 stars, this is one of the most consistently well-reviewed plungers on Amazon across all price ranges. For buyers who want a well-designed, genuinely practical plunger without paying a premium price, the OXO is the most sensible choice. When a standard plunger fails to shift a blockage, the problem is usually insufficient force. The J.S. Jackson Bellows plunger addresses that directly. A standard cup plunger moves air and water using the compression of a rubber dome. The volume it moves is limited by the size of the cup. A Bellows accordion plunger uses a rigid multi-chamber accordion body that compresses fully on the push stroke, moving approximately 1.5 liters of water per plunge. That is significantly more water displacement than any standard plunger in this list can achieve. The dual action mechanism loads water into the chamber on the pull stroke and drives it forward with force on the push. The result is a high-pressure water blast directed precisely into the drain, which is what actually dislodges a packed clog rather than simply pressurizing around it. As the rigid accordion body also keeps the plunger positioned at the correct angle without requiring the user to hold it perfectly straight, which makes it easier to use for older adults or anyone with limited wrist strength. It comes with a storage drip tray and disassembles for compact storage under a sink. For a household that regularly deals with stubborn blockages, or for anyone who wants a plunger that handles the worst-case scenario, this is the most mechanically capable option in the list. The Clorox plunger is the most straightforward option in this list, and the most widely purchased. With over 15,000 verified Amazon ratings, it is the most reviewed toilet plunger in its price category. That volume of real buyer feedback is itself a useful signal. A product with that many reviews and a strong average rating has been tested across a wide range of homes, toilet types, and clog situations. The flange cup head fits standard and low-flow toilets and creates an adequate seal for everyday household blockages. It is not the strongest seal in this list, but it is sufficient for the type of clogs most households encounter regularly. Partial obstructions caused by excess paper or minor buildup. The clamshell caddy opens automatically when the plunger is lifted and closes when it is returned. The same hands-free convenience found on the OXO at a lower price. The non-skid rubber base keeps the caddy stable on tile or hardwood floors without shifting. For a rental property, a spare bathroom, or any situation where a dependable basic plunger is needed without spending more than necessary, the Clorox delivers what it promises consistently.